welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are gonna change the complete color swap on a 23 Road Glide ST, a 117 model, because who is not tired of having an all black Road Glide Street Glide? We're tired of that. So come check out our awesome paint job. We have all these parts. We have shown you instructional video on how to swap out the parts. So this is not gonna be one of those. We will show you the parts, obviously. So we have a gas tank, the whole shop gas tank, chopped tour pack, our Advanblack side covers, whole shot side covers, short rear fender, short front fender, LED lights, the whole body swap. So stay tuned and check out the results. As you can see, we took all the painted parts. Well, not we, Jason took all the painted parts off, but I still can't believe, and many of you might not know this, Harley still uses the same frame since 09. Even if you buy a 2025 now, it's still the same frame for 09. That's crazy.
It is. If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
True that. All right, let's go ahead. Put this shit back together. Man, Jason, you are almost done with this bike.
I'm getting there.
All right, the inner fairing's in. I like how we did the inner fairing color match as well. Outer fairing, gas tank.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Looks very sexy.
It looks very awesome. Okay, for most of you, you might not know this, but the chopped gas tank only reduces you for about 20 miles or so. So it's not much, but it looks beautiful. It looks amazing. Jason, what else are we doing to this bike?
We're going to be doing some side covers, matching the flames, the bronze flames, saddlebags, and one of our rear fenders as well. And I believe we have a tour pack for this thing too.
Oh, that's awesome. All right, can't wait to see it when it's done. All right, Jason, I see that you're done with this bike. How was it?
Pretty fun assignment.
Okay.
Yeah, we had a little trouble with the front fairing and just getting aligned right, and the lower fairing, the lower spoiler kit. But everything else was a cinch. Everything else was good to go.
Okay. Now, how long did it realistically take you? How long do you think it'll realistically take, someone that's watching us right now, if they don't have any experience and if they do have some experience?
So if you're just somebody who's going to attempt this for the first time, it's going to take you about 2 to 3 days to take apart everything and then reassemble everything. If you got a little bit of experience in the garage, if you know how to turn a wrench, you can get it done 2 days, and if you're really good, a day's top in. So yeah.
Okay, that's pretty amazing. As you guys can see here, this looks beautiful, but let's go look at the owners here. Let's see his reaction. Let's see what he thinks about it. Let's go. All right, let's go take a look.
Yep.
First reaction, what do you think?
Oh, wow. Okay. It's hard to do flames, and I didn't really give a whole lot of, oh, look at the flake.
Look at the flake. And we got the flake on the inner fairing. We got flake everywhere.
Oh, wow, you did it up there too?
Everywhere.
Dude. It's very easy to mess up flames.
It is. We stick to a classic look. You know,
That's insane, guys. Good job.
yeah, and I think the color matches the ST
Wow.
perfectly well.
Yeah, it really matches the bronze really well
Yeah.
without being exactly the same. But yeah, it's got the same vibe without being too matchy.
Yes, because we didn't want to be too matchy.
Yeah.
That makes a difference.
I like this. You guys went hard, dude. You went the engine guards, the bag guards.
Yeah, you know, we did everything on this thing. You can put a different seat on there. We got the tour pack. We got everything that you could think about. All Advanblack parts here. on this piece.
Dude, the flake is insane.
Yeah.
I did not realize that it was gonna look like that. That's really rad, guys.
And what's on the video, you might not be able to see it, but this flake is awesome. Just wait till you take it outside.
Yeah, and is it the same color as this? The flake
Color.
is,
Yeah.
dude, rad. Rad, I love it.
Yeah.
And how it's floating above and there's no holes drilled in the fender. That's really
Nothing.
nice. And I like that I prefer this over Harley's because Harley has multiple lines here.
Yes.
Like the fender is kind of like sunken in from where the saddlebags are.
Yep.
And this is all,
It's all smooth.
Yeah.
It just kind of flows together.
it looks so much better.
Yeah, and then we did the black hardware on it, you know, and
I think the only downside is that I can't put those little knee pad covers on because then I cover the
yeah, you
flames.
couldn't cover up the flames.
Unless you make me some clear ones, then I'll put those on.
All right, we'll see what we could do.
Dude, that's rad. Good job, guys. Thank you.
No problem. I'm just glad you liked it.
I'm stoked on this.
All right, so Mickey, let us know what got you into riding and why are you riding a Road Glide now?
I started riding very early in life. My dad raced, so
Okay.
I had a dirt bike when I was 8 or 9 years old, and I've ridden pretty much my whole life. I started riding Harleys like in my late 30s,
Okay.
and yeah, I've owned Batwings, Road King with RT fairing, and I never
Okay.
owned a Road Glide. Road Glides are popular, so
Yeah, like,
when
why
I
not?
crashed my Road King, I was like, all right, I'll get a Road Glide. I'll try a Road Glide out, and I love it. I love them all. I'm not
Okay.
terribly picky between the fairings, but I'm going to be partial to this one now.
Nice.
Look
nice.
at it.
Oh yeah. Now, since your dad used to race, do you have any motor work done to this, or is it stock?
No, not at all. I'm a touring guy, so
Okay.
I like reliability. Personally, I'm not chasing performance. I'm not chasing speed or anything like that. For me, the stock 117 is more than sufficient for everything that I do.
Yeah.
And I like reliability. I know a lot of people like to go outside of warranty, do the hardcore stuff. But
Yeah.
me, nah, man, I just got slip on, left side delete, stock motor, stock air
that.
cleaner. And so,
Okay.
yeah, for me, simple is better. I have another bike, my FXR, that I can get warranty on.
Yeah.
So that's kind of my
That's kind of your
hot
your
rod
hot
bike,
rod.
yeah. But-
All right, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I'm really glad you really loved it, and I'm glad you guys really liked it. Really, thanks again
Yeah,
for
of
coming
course.
by.
Appreciate
and thank you guys for watching us, and stay tuned to the next YouTube channel. See you guys later.